VSS Monitoring's podcast series. The podcast series dedicated to helping you, the network professional, increase visibility to all of your users and lowering your costs while doing so.
Hi everyone, welcome to VSS Monitoring's second podcast. My name is Philip Powell and I'll be your host today. VSS is the world's leading innovator of distributed traffic capture systems and network taps. We give you the visibility essential to fully leverage your monitoring tools and to take proactive control of your network. Distributed traffic capture systems are the foundation of intelligent network monitoring design. They're how network monitoring tools, security, and network forensic devices all access data from anywhere over any geography. In addition, they let you use each tool more efficiently, maximizing the ROI on the tool. Today we'll be talking about the difficulties experienced when understanding the quality of providing video to the desktop. We'll show you how VSS can provide visibility to the desktop even on distributed campuses and high-rise buildings. We'll also be speaking with Brett Green, one of VSS's engineers. He'll be talking to us a bit about the new product offering, the V4.24 10 gig distributed filter tap. I'd like to talk to you today about how distributed traffic capture systems are bringing efficiency and cost savings to monitoring video in the enterprise. There are a few fundamental issues that plague enterprises when attempting to deploy video to the desktop. These issues all focus around the distributed nature of enterprises. Let's take a look at the first problem. To do so, we have to look within the campus environment, or even within a single site. The campus environment precludes centralized monitoring. By its own nature, the campus is distributed among multiple floors, or even across a metropolitan area. When monitoring each office in a campus, it's quite difficult to do so in a cost-effective manner. As you can see here, there are many IDF closets that may either be in different floors, within a single high-rise as shown here, or it could be a large disparate campus like Google, Microsoft, or even Apple. These IDFs contain switches that then connect to users' workstations. If we install monitoring tools at each of these IDFs to provide visibility to the edge, we've run into the first problem with monitoring on the campus environment. Performance analysis tools begin at about $15,000 US, while video analysis tools cost between $15,000 and $25,000. High-end forensics tools can cost as much as $100,000 per probe. These costs simply don't scale. The need for centralized monitoring becomes very apparent at this level. Distributed traffic capture systems from VSS allow enterprises to monitor all IDFs centrally. What if you've already deployed tools? Distributed traffic capture systems can lower these operational costs. Let's take a simple example here. If we take the lowest cost probe at $15,000 and take a medium-sized enterprise with approximately 100 sites, and we take in a very, very low cost of maintenance, approximately 15%, with the industry averaging between 15 and 25%. That gives us about $225,000 per year savings that VSS distributed traffic capture systems will bring. So what does that look like? Here we can see the same enterprise we were looking at before. Now I'll remove the cost and effective monitoring tools and apply a distributed traffic capture system from VSS Monitoring. By inserting this, a single tap, VSS can centralize visibility to each IDF and provide complete visibility all the way to the desktop. Users can backhaul the traffic with a simple inline fiber connection to the remote switch. Now enterprises can have multiple tools centralized, and they'll simultaneously lower their costs significantly, in this case by approximately 80%. Bringing things back to the enterprise diagram we first saw, let's look at the next inherent problem with monitoring video to the desktop. In the remote sites, enterprises face a different problem that distributed traffic capture systems help them solve. These remote sites are typically connected to the data centers via fairly low bandwidth WAN links. They range from dedicated 128K links to higher bandwidth DSL or even cable links. The bandwidth problems that could plague these sites when using video conferencing are quite apparent: poor audio and video quality. Dedicated tools at these sites are a must, but there's typically a lack of IT expertise at these sites, and having the permanent visibility to the traffic without the need to switch cables or modify switch ports remotely can significantly reduce the costs incurred by sending IT personnel or even contractors to those sites to perform those manual cable switchovers. Next, multiple tools may need to be deployed at the site without the limitations caused by switches. 2 span ports essentially means that only a single tool may be deployed permanently while maintaining an open port for troubleshooting. Not to mention the fact that multiple tools are often necessary for security, performance monitoring, network forensics, and regulatory compliance. The selective aggregation and distribution provided by the VSS Distributed Traffic Capture System enables enterprises to deploy multiple tools permanently with room for expansion and on-demand troubleshooting. To recap, VSS Distributed Traffic Capture Systems centralize monitoring within campus environments, data centers, and high-rise environments. They also overcome fundamental challenges like giving permanent visibility to performance analysis, security, and network forensic tools. They alleviate unnecessary travel by IT personnel to handle sites that may not have technical staff. Distributed traffic capture systems decrease the amount of time taken to solve problems by giving visibility to potentially all the networks in a single location. According to the Aberdeen Group, their studies show that the best-in-class organizations, which are more likely to use distributed traffic capture systems, achieved an improvement of 120% in application availability over organizations that do not use distributed traffic capture systems. Distributed traffic capture systems from VSS provide visibility to all networks while simultaneously improving the efficiency of network analyzers, security, and performance analysis tools. Finally, traffic capture systems from VSS can help enterprises achieve savings of up to 80% in capital and operational expenditures. In today's environment, IT professionals and CXOs are trying to reduce costs wherever they can. VSS has a proven model that's based on hard costs.